Hello, Unique family. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on this video and spending just a little bit of your time with me today. Today, it's going to be the battle of the makeup removing wipes. That's right. We're going to compare two different products today for you to see which side cleans my face better. Is it going to be the AVON makeup removing wipes or simple makeup removing wipes? So stay tuned if you want to know the final results. Well, if you're not familiar with me, my name is Patrice, and here at Uneek Beauty, I love doing all things beauty, which includes self-care Sundays or just self-care, makeup, unboxings, tutorials, and things that make you just feel oh so good about yourself. Also, I love collaborating with the Carolina girls and the beautiful Uneek Squad. Everyone will be listed down, of course, in the description box below. And I'll also put a playlist of previous collabs that we've done together. Now, as you know, when we do makeup, we have to take it off because you can't go to bed with it. No, we can't. There's a lot of times that I take a nap or I forget, but most of the times I remember to take it off. But today it's going to be the battle of the makeup wipes. Is it going to be AVON makeup remover or simply makeup removing wipes? We're going to cut my face in half and I'm going to show you which wipe reigned supreme, how much it took off, how many wipes I used, and then we will begin removing all the rest of it and doing my self-care. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tunes as I do the battle of the two makeup wipes.
Ganja smoking, we got rum in me cup. Bad girls wind up on the dance floor. All the girls wind up on the dance floor.
So I just removed all of my makeup. Oh, well, let's compare both of the wipes. So this is the simple wipe here. It does have this like woven weave texture, if you can see. It's got these beautiful little divots and things in it. Compared to the AVON removing makeup wipes, it is about the same size. Now, as you see, there are diamonds in it. There's like a diamond weave texture in it, compared to no diamond weave. So I did use two on this side, as you see. 1, 2. And then I did use 2 on this side, even though I felt like I should have used the third one. 1 and 2. Now, Do I think it took all of it off with the Simple? Honestly, no. Do I think it took all of it off with the AVON? I think so, and it made my skin feel really smooth. I mean, the Simple, it does too, but for some reason, because I had glitter eyeshadow, I don't know. Like, I'm really torn because I feel moisture more so on this side, and I still feel really tacky over here. It's just versus, you know, I don't know. But on this, it says, take it off. These handy wipes remover throughout makeup on your face, eyes, and they will make your skin feel totally clean. And these is just use one towelette, wipe over the entire face, including your eye area, and remove all traces of makeup. No need to rinse. Protect wipes from drying out. Just close it up. It says makeup removing wipe. This has Marcello, like Marcella or mineral complexes. These Simple wipes, these are for sensitive skin, and these are Marcellar cleansing wipes. Cleansing and deeply hydrates. And our Marcello wipes are made with the Marcello water for thoroughly, gently cleaning. The clever Marcello gently moves away makeup, even waterproof mascara, impurities, and clogged pores. Skin is lifted, feeling clean, fresh, hydrated, without irritation, alcohol, or oil-free. And that was this side. And of course, that was this side. So after comparing them, I honestly need your help. Do you think the AVON wipes work better or these Simple wipes? You tell me the difference. I still feel like this is really sticky. Like, it's really tacky feeling where I rub my fingers across this and it doesn't feel as bad. And I'm putting the same amount of pressure on my skin. Like, I don't... Like, this feels really smooth and hydrating, and this is just...
I think that one is sticky, but the other one doesn't.
Which one?
I think the AVON one works much better than the, I forgot what
The other one. Okay, well, my daughter says she thinks that this AVON side is worked a lot better than this one. And it's not because I sell AVON and very biased. This is just, take it off, let's see what it does. And honestly, I tend to agree. I am going to use my Neutrogena Bombing Cleanser. So we are going to try this Neutrogena Melting Cleanser Makeup Remover Balm on both sides of my face and see what comes off. So I am going to put some on this side and just see if anything comes off from it. And I am going to put some on, of course, this side. And we'll see who still has makeup on. I am going to put it all over my face. Because I want to make sure all my makeup's off. So we're going to put it on my eyes. We're going to put it on my lips. And just to see who still has makeup on their side. And then I will continue with the rest of my skincare.
Chance for when we'll be back again. You
rest of my usual skincare when I do a makeup application after, of course, I take everything off. I really love the battle of the makeup remover wipes. I am going to be doing a lot of those really soon. So compared to the AVON makeup removing wipe and the simple makeup removing wipe, which was your favorite? Which one do you think that performed well, took off the makeup well, and even made a flawless finish on my face after doing all of my skincare? So remember, this side is the AVON side. This side is the simple side. Now, as you see, after all the skincare and everything I put on, everything pretty much looks the same. But go back and see about the makeup remover. How did that makeup come off my face? Was it evenly? Did it come off beautifully? What do you think about the wipe itself? Did you like the texture of the diamond weaved and the AVON wipe, or just the simplicity of the lines in the simple wipes? Don't forget also the size of the wipe. Was it a big enough wipe that covered up the whole area that I needed to get off, or was it just a little bit on the small side? So I will leave the video up in the icon above of the makeup I had on in this video that I had to remove to give you this comparison of the wipes. Now, I did have glitter on my eyes. I also had a Too Faced Damn Girl Lash Mascara, which is actually a waterproof mascara. So look at all those textures and let me know down in the comments below which wipe that you thought was the best. I will let you know what my decision is on Instagram. So if you are not following me on there, please do. I would love to have you over there as well. All that information will, of course, be down in the description box below. Well, that is all the time that we have for today at the Battle of the Makeup Wipes today. As we do the series on the chopping block here at Uneek Beauty, I hope that you continue to watch us and stay tuned for another wonderful episode of On the Chopping Block. So from our family to yours, remember to be happy, be kind, always be courageous. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.